Hristos a înviat.
Adevărat a înviat.
Ha, ha!
Ah!
Ha, ha!
Haha, Lucas had the strongest egg.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Easter in Romania is celebrated with family and friends enjoying traditional dishes. In this video, we will share with you 7 special Romanian dishes prepared for Easter Sunday and some Romanian Easter tradition. Let's have a look. The first dish on the Easter Sunday menu is a minced meat pie filled with fresh herbs called drob. This is usually prepared 2 days in advance and it is served cold. Drob is eaten almost exclusively at Easter time. An essential part of the Easter Sunday table are the colored or painted eggs. This is the part the kids enjoy the most. We exercised our painting skills on a few decorations, waiting for the real eggs to boil. After the eggs are painted, it is time to start preparing the warm dishes, starting with the lamb soup. Families will often buy a whole lamb for Easter and use almost the entire animal in soups, roasts, and the meat pie we saw earlier.
Veggies and lamb.
The lamb roast is the main dish on the Easter table. The best cuts of the lamb are marinated and spend a couple of hours in the oven on a slow fire. It is accompanied by a fresh salad as a side. The typical Easter dessert is called Kozonak. This is a sweet bread filled with nuts, chocolate and raisins that takes quite a lot of time to make and is prepared at least a couple of days in advance of Easter Sunday. It is associated with celebrations and also eaten at Christmas. A sweet dish made only at Easter is called Baska. It can be made in a variety of ways depending on the taste of the family. Here we are making a Baska with fresh cheese but without the dough for a lighter texture. The last dish on our Easter Sunday table is Sarmale. This is a traditional Romanian dish eaten at all important events. The main tradition observed during Orthodox Easter is the church midnight ceremony celebrating the resurrection of Christ. The light is brought from Jerusalem by the priests and passed on from candle to candle. This is the holy light that must be brought home and should stay on the whole Easter Sunday. The Easter Sunday meal is opened by tapping together the colored eggs and saying Christ is risen, while the other person answers yes, he is risen.
Hristos a înviat.
Adevărat a înviat.
Ha ha.
Ah! Ha ha! Lucas had the strongest egg. What's your Sarmale face?
Ooh, Sarmale.
Sarmale! The good stuff!
Of course, it would not be Easter without an egg hunt. I hope you enjoyed this video about Romania's traditional foods and Easter traditions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.